if you have this product, lower Mercier Caviar stick, smudge it across the waterline and the tight line. I'm going to show you a tip. Especially if it has a color to it, like burgundy, green, gold, blue. Take a smudger brush. This color is so cool. It's blue sparkle with the gray black base. Smudge it everywhere. And in person or when you look in a mirror, instead of just a black or brown eyeliner, you get to see this creamy, like glittery sheen of color. It's not glittery though, it's like luminescent. And this one's blue, so I see blue reflecting back. I'm gonna take a shimmery, glittery powder, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom of it. Just to ease the blend. And some more blue. It's an easy punk pop rock star look. Punk pop star. Easy punk pop star eye look. Maybe that will be the title. I don't know. I like the P's in punk pop star. Or pretty easy punk pop star look. Is that too many words?